Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Whimsy Stamps Slimline Envelope Die. This die is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited that Whimsy Stamps came out with this die because now you can make your own envelopes to go with your Slimline cards. This die has 3 pieces to it. You have the 2 pieces that make up the envelope, and then this piece if you want to have a decorative flap, but you don't need to use that if you don't want to. The die for the back side of the envelope measures 9 1/8 by 3 5/8, and the die for the front of the envelope measures 10 5/8 by 5 7/8. And the die to decorate the inside of the envelope flap measures 8 3/4 inches by 3 11/16 of an inch. It also comes with this die that makes the lines for the address and smaller die for the return address. It has some rectangles and ovals you can use to put decorative borders or cut out labels. You can even cut out part of the envelope to make it like a peekaboo window on the envelope. It has also this cute little postage stamp die, so you have lots of options with this die set. Now I wanted to show you how you can die cut them using a 6-inch platform. Now I do have the Big Shot Plus, which fits the entire die nicely with one pass, but if you only have the smaller platform, it'll still work. First I put my paper down, then the die, and then the top cutting plate, and I run it through the die cut machine. It does make it a little easier if you tape the die down, but I didn't think of it until after. Once I run it through the machine, I push the bottom plate up and I move the die and the paper down a little bit, and then I run the other half through the machine. I'm not going to show me cutting all the pieces since this is only a product reveal, but I will be making a video soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm going to quickly show you how the envelope gets put together. It's very easy to assemble this envelope. First you burnish all the edges, and then if you want to use the die for the address label or return address, you should do this before you assemble the envelope. You just place it where you want it to go and run it through the die cut machine. Once you do that, you can then assemble the envelope. You put glue on the tab of the back panel and attach it to the bottom of the front panel. And then you put glue on the 2 sides of the back panel and fold the back side up to close the envelope. Then you put glue on the inside of the envelope and slide the decorative panel in. Then I put glue on the top of the decorative panel and then close the top of the envelope. I just find it's easier to line it up. I add some score tape to close the envelope once your card is in it. I did make a sample envelope for you. I decorated it with the new snail mail stamp set. You can decorate them any way you want to. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.